Wow. The biggest bonus I've ever had on this game. Welcome back everyone to another video. So today we are playing Money Train 2. A lot of requests for this game, so we're looking for bonuses only. And there, let's jump straight into it. Yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about this game. We did play Money Train 3, I think, the other day, and it was actually pretty decent, to be fair. Got a decent win, so hopefully yeah, we can get something decent out of this. Playing on £3 play, £1,000 start. How much is that? 15 good, nice. Win up to 50,000x. Imagine doing that, Jesus. Okay, 1050. Okay, what we'll do is we'll bring you back on the first bonus. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just bring you back for the first bonus. I'm not sure if it's the same as the last one. I believe it's like, was it 1x, 2x, 3x? I'm not sure. Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. Alright, let's sign something good, some collectors, and some high rated ones. That'll be good. Okay, nice. Is that consistent? No, it's not. Come on, we need to find one. Nice. Good start. Let's find some more. We get another collector. This would be quite big. Come on, land it. Damn. How much is that? 65x. And guess one. 200 it should be, I think. Nice. 195. Epic win. Decent bonus for the first one. Right, what we'll do is we'll bring you back on the next game. Okay, bring you back for the next game, or the next bonus. We definitely got like, how many scatters there? I think it's like 5 or 6 scatters. What a re-trigger that is. Right, how many spins did you get here? I think it's only 3, but let me get 1, 2, 3. We got 5 scatters. Nice. It's a good start, but we need to get more. Come on. And get the bottom one. I think it opens up a another column or something. Alright, come on, we get more than that. Okay. Another collector. Okay, nice. Back to 3. We get one more. On the bottom. Can't find it. Sure, it's not going in there. 42x. Nice. So there you go. We open up the other column, like you said. Find one on the left, the second row. That'd be good. Okay. Find the collector. Come on. Don't die. Nice. Kept us in the game there. Got another column open. Okay, nice. Find a collector. Okay. Find a collector. Come on, don't die. What's that one do? Okay, nice. Now I'll find the collector. This will be massive. Come on. Will it find the collector? Don't die. Come on, give us something else. Damn it. Good bonus. We only got one collector, but if we would have found one more, that would have been a massive bonus. But still a good win. We'll take it. We'll let this add up. 228, nice. Great win that. Right, we'll bring you back on the next one. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we did get another bonus. We got the prestige payout. So yeah, not sure what that does. I've never seen that, even on the money train free. So I'm not sure what it does. I'm guessing it. Yeah, persistent. It shoots the bullets, so yeah, persistent. Nice to collect as well. Hey, nice. Well, come on, we got to find quite a lot here now. The prestige is obviously the bullets that come out of it there, and then obviously the persistent is where it keeps playing, of course. Wow, 50x. Get in there. Is that a collector as well? Oh, we need to find a collector. Go on, find a collector. Wow. Oh, we need to get collector. Nice, another 20x. Get in there. Oh, where's the collector? Yeah, nice, come on. Nice. Nice, we found the collector. This is going to be massive. Get in there. Wow. Jesus. 295x. This is going to be insane. Gotta keep going. Could we find another collector? 150x that one. 151 now. Wow. That is absolutely mental. Can't find something else. Nice. What a bonus so far. And it opens another column. Come on, find the collector if we can. Oh my good lord. Oh, don't die, find another one. Go on, find it, find it. Yes. And there's only times one, but we got another 3 spins because of it. Go on. And again. Jesus Christ. It's going to be massive. Nice. Imagine we find the collector as well. Oh, screen's just gone off there. Gotta find it. Nah, don't die. Come on, find another one. Can it find? Yes, it can. Get in there, 2x. Wow. The biggest bonus I've ever had on this game. That's persistent as well, so it keeps paying out. Just thought I'd try this game out. Look at this, go on. Can it find another one? Can it continue? No, it can't, but what a win. How much is this going to be? Crazy win. 550x. What we're going to do is let this add up, ladies and gentlemen. What a win. Playing on a £3 play as well, so. Wow. Absolutely insane, guys. That's why you just got to try out different games, I guess, because that was just absolutely mental. 1,650 quid. I think on that note, guys, we're just going to end the video there. If you did enjoy, as always, make sure to like and subscribe. And have a great day. Peace.